Next thing you're going to want to do is go all the way down to your settings and then click on associations. And here you can associate different analytics accounts that are within this Chrome profile. So I'm just going to click associate, and there'll be one property that I can choose from. And then I'll hit continue, and then I'll hit associate. And that should establish a connection. And once it has that, you're all set to go. And if you need to remove a property, just click these three dots and click remove. And then that'll remove it for you. I'm going to show you another way in analytics how you can link it as well. So once you're in this middle column, the property column inside your Google Analytics property, just scroll all the way down to all products and then scroll all the way down again to Search Console. And then just click add, and that'll bring you into Search Console where you can just click on your property that you have and then hit continue and associate that way. So there's two ways to do the same thing essentially. Hope that helps.